Today we're gonna be unboxing Burt's Bees Sweet Mandarin flavor. I call it flavor, you can call it scent. Whatever. I think it sounds cooler like a flavor. So this gorgeous package. I love these colors, the green and the orange and the yellow. So this is the chapstick. Look at that gorgeous orange cap. Amazing. So now we're gonna open it. You're gonna see this little red tab and you're just gonna pick it up. Just gonna unwrap it. I'm gonna put that on my hand because I like stickers. Okay, and we're going to open it and smell it. Very good. Let me smell it. Oh my gosh. What I love about these is it actually smells like orange. Some things smell like corn syrup. That's the Burt's Bees.
What's the ingredients?
Unboxing video. I don't know. You can read it if you'd like. I think it's upside down. It says moisturizing lip balm. That's the word. I keep calling it chapstick. But it's a gorgeous package with the little bee as usual. Thank you for watching.
Hollywood!
Not Hollywood.
Hollywood!
You should go and vote.